Hey guys, Jeremy here from Getting Outside with Jeremy. Wanted to do a little review here of a quote smokeless fire pit that I built. I've seen that these things are all the rage on Facebook and Instagram, or maybe they're just serving up ads based on what they think my preferences would be. But I built my own a few years back, and it was a DIY project, and I thought you guys might be interested. So we'll jump right in and I'll explain as I go. Thanks guys. So here we have the fire pit. Looks like a pretty standard fire pit. It's built out of landscaping blocks from Home Depot. They're readily available. But the difference with this fire pit is, as I'll zoom in here, it has breathing holes at the bottom. So the reason that we do this is it forces the fire pit to draw air in from the bottom that then rises out in the form of smoke. If we look at it, the fire pit is constructed from these alternating trapezoidal and then brick-shaped blocks. Mine is 4 layers of 12 each, but yours could be more or less depending on what your height restrictions are. And the design for the breathing holes is basically I left out every other brick on the bottom layer. So if you can see here, there's a brick and then it's missing. And that equates to a breathing hole on the inside of the fire pit. The inside of the fire pit is coated with a moldable refractory cement. So something that's a little more resistant to the fire, and it only allows it to draft in at the breathing holes rather than in the cracks in the blocks. I bought this moldable cement, a couple buckets of it on Amazon. It wasn't too expensive, and you just make a slurry and smear it on and it dries, air dries. Give it a couple days before you try firing anything in it. A couple other things about the design of it. I think you noticed that the trapezoid and then the next layer is kind of rotated where the brick hits in the middle of the trapezoid, and vice versa. To hold all the blocks together on the lower layers, I just used landscaping glue, and it's pretty heavy, so it'd be hard to move one of these, and I used the refractory cement as a mortar on the top layer. So I'll get into it later on here, building a fire and showing that to you guys, and you can see how it kind of drafts. But we'll do that a little bit later on. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you might want to try it out yourself. If you don't, then maybe you learned something that you didn't want to do. But anyway, maybe post some pictures in the comments, or send me in the comments any questions you might have. I'd be happy to answer them. And let me know if you're trying it out, because I'd be curious to see how it works for anybody else. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Getting Outside with Jeremy. Thanks guys. Bye.